Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a skin video. You know, I love skin just as much as I love hair. I don't think I can pick, I love both. But today's a skin video and it's going to be about this gem that I do not know why I have never tried this before. Cerave moisturizing cream. Yeah, I got this big jar because I have really had a feeling this was going to work. And I don't know why I overlooked this so many times. I was so stuck on Aveeno. I've been using Aveeno and my skin has been dry. Like, it just feels like it could not hold in any moisture. Like, I applied the lotion in the morning, everywhere. I was even using Aveeno lotion on my face. I know, it didn't break me out or anything. It was cool, but by the end of the day, I'm dry. Throughout the day, especially since I wash my hands a lot just with my profession and just because I don't know that's what you're supposed to do. It's like I'm a clean person. So my hands get really dry and my hands stay not dry and I haven't been applying any lotion really. I've been washing them like I usually do all the time and they don't get ashy. This works amazing. My feet as well, definitely for my feet. My feet, it's almost like I can feel a protective layer on my feet. Even after coming out the shower, they still aren't that ashy. So that's impressive for me. Now, real quick, I just want to show you kind of like the consistency. I've already used like a good amount of it, but this stuff is thick and creamy. It really is like a cream. It's not a lotion. I actually don't even want to do the lotion. I'm just going to use this. Like, I want it to be this heavy for right now. I want to get my skin like to a really good, like healthy, moisturized state. So real thick, like it's not coming out. I'm not afraid to turn it upside down. This ain't coming out. Love that about it. So it's like look luxurious. So of course, let's get into the ingredients and why this works so good. Because even if you don't get the actual CeraVe and you want to get another product or even like a dupe of this or something, the key point about what makes it so good is what's actually inside of it. Y'all know, if y'all been with me for a long time, I care about ingredients. Especially that's why I don't like when formulas change, and I let y'all know if they change. Ingredients matter. Just like in food and anything else that you put inside of your body or on your body, it matters what's in it. Who cares about what the label says? They can say all they want. I never buy a product just from the label and all this good stuff. They say, yeah. What's in the ingredients? So as you can see on the ingredient list on the back, I do have circled the ceramides, ceramide NP, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP. All of them are different, pretty much all do the same thing, kind of like omega fatty acids. You have 3, 6, and 9, blah, blah, but they're all omega fatty acids. Ceramides, kind of like them. They're all lipids, pretty much. They're like lipids for your skin. But we'll get more into that in a second. Also on the ingredient list, we do have second is glycerin. Glycerin is really good as a second ingredient, especially for something that's heavy like this that has also petrolatum and dimethicone. Glycerin is good because glycerin is humectant, so it's going to attract water and keep water, in your skin. And water is what? Water is moisture. Glycerin being second is very good. You have the sugar alcohol. That's a good alcohol. It's not a drying alcohol. The triglycerides are good. I think they're pretty much, triglycerides is pretty much also fatty acid. So as you guys know, water and oil do not mix. So if water is deep within your skin and then the outer layer or epidermis of your skin is supposed to protect things from getting into your skin and from moisture and aka water leaving your skin, then you have to have a solid lipid barrier. And lipids are pretty much, ceramides are pretty much lipids. So if you have a solid oil outer layer to your skin, then the water that's underneath your skin can't really escape. And if the water can't escape, then your skin remains hydrated. Hydrated skin is skin that has water retained into it. So with dry skin, you don't have that good solid ceramide, aka like lipid, fatty, oily layer that protects your skin. Not only from losing moisture and it escaping, but also from even like UV rays, bacteria, viruses, just the natural aging that comes with just your skin being exposed to oxygen. That's why antioxidants are antioxidant, because oxygen is kind of what, it pretty much what ages you. So gravity and oxygen age us. That's why we kind of like, grow old. Just like a fruit or a vegetable, like eventually they go bad because there's this oxygen and oxygen. That's why if you have an avocado, I probably said this in one of my videos before because I love saying this analogy. But if you open the avocado, that's why you kind of wipe it with like lemon juice or lime juice or something like that that has a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C being an antioxidant is going to help slow the oxidation process, which is pretty much the browning of like the avocado. So sum it up, this Cerave having 3 different types of ceramides, which to me translates to like omega-3, 6, and 9 pretty much for my hair. For my skin, I see ceramides as omega fatty acids. Not sure how similar they are, but they both are lipids, and fatty acids are lipids, aka oil. So them having 3 of those, and how well my skin, I've only been using this for like a week and a half. And I was trying Aveeno face creams and the lotion, just the lotion. And I love my Aveeno, but my skin was just dry, and I was applying it and moisturizing it and everything. It just was dry, and I was like sad, because like if Aveeno don't work, then geez, what's gonna work? Why have I never tried Cerave? Never tried it growing up, and I don't know why. So the ingredients check out to me. So looking at the little back things, it also says it has MVE delivery technology, which is controlled release for all day hydration, which I can understand, because like I said, the whole point of the ceramides and having a good ceramide or lipid barrier is to control the release of hydration, aka water, from the underlayers of your skin. Also says non-comedogenic, so it does not clog your pores. I have not seen an extra bump or anything on my face since I've been using it. And yes, I've been putting this on my face, my body, and my feet, everywhere. And then next it has hyaluronic acid, which helps retain skin's natural moisture. I just think of that commercial, L'Oreal, with the Eva Longoria, whatever, she's like, hyaluronic acid, whatever. But it's obviously a good ingredient. And then fragrance free, to avoid fragrance irritation, which is always good, because I can have my own smells. I don't need my smells to come from my lotion. This is like therapeutic lotion, not lotion, cream, body cream, face cream and foot cream for me. Now, the only thing with this moisturizing cream is it does not have SPF, and I don't care what shade you are, you need to use some type of SPF, especially in the summertime, or especially if you're close to the equator, aka closer to the sun rays. You definitely need to wear SPF. So since that doesn't have SPF, I am still using what I've been using, which has been working pretty good, the Neutrogena Clear Face Oil-Free Sunscreen, SPF 50. Yes, 50. 30, okay, but really you want to try to get 50 every day, especially during the summer months. So this, I've had this since like at least last year, but this lasts forever, and it's also water resistant for 80 minutes. So this works well. I only use like a little bit, like literally like a tiny little amount, and I'll just go like this, and just kind of put that over this moisturizing cream in the morning. At night, when I take a shower, because this summertime is hot, it's a twice a day shower type of time for me right now. At night, I just put this on my face and my feet, and maybe my body a little bit, but I don't like sleeping and feeling all sticky, so I don't need to use a sunscreen at night. But in the morning, yes, I use a sunscreen. So, I mean, Cerave does have a face lotion, or they do have like something that has like SPF in it for your face. I mean, since I have this right now, I'm not going to waste my money, but if you don't have a facial sunscreen, then you could probably try the Cerave one. I think their SPF was 30 though, but like I said, I've burned before and it's not fun. I don't care how much aloe you put on your skin, it's not fun to sunburn, especially on your face. It's so embarrassing to have peeling face. So I'm using SPF 50 for mine, and Neutrogena is always with a classy brand. I don't think I've ever not liked something from Neutrogena. So yeah, this is, if you guys saw my last video, this is the Band-Aid wig. We used to call them half wigs. The Band-Aid headband wig that I purchased. I think it came out great. I love it. It feels nice and cool for the summer. I can also, this is just the original headband, but I have plenty that I can put it up in a ponytail or bun with the other headband, especially if I decide to wear this on like a vacation or something. But yes, I like it. Came out good. The products were good. I like it. Perfect little summer hairstyle. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. That is my thoughts on the Cerave moisturizing cream. Please don't forget to like the video. It really, really helps me. And I'm trying to get more videos out for you guys when I have time in between working and everything. But I had to come on here and tell you guys about this because this really has changed my skin in a week and a half. And I have been dealing with dry skin for months using what I thought was the best, Aveeno. Not totally done with the Aveeno, no, but I was just disappointed. It was just not working. But this worked in a week and a half. And my skin, my hands and my feet don't even get dry even after I take a shower. They still aren't that dry. Like, I love this. And also another reason I like it is the tub. You don't have to, like, you know, with the lotion bottles, like, I'll cut it through the middle and just use it like that and put it in a plastic bag, because the little pump, you can't pump anything, but you feel and you hear a whole bunch of extra lotion still in there. And that's just a waste of product and money. A tub, I will wipe this thing clean and get every drop of it out. So that's another plus. They also have a pump one, but I like that it's a jar. I just want to be able to wipe it clean, get all the product out. So yeah, I see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.